Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Now from your learning partner. In this video, we will be learning on how to use ISIN function in Pandas. In a previous video, we had explained you how to use the Boolean indexing in Pandas. If you had not watched that video, then click on the above link. And if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out your learning. First, let's understand what is the ISIN function does. This function returns a Boolean series which can be used to filter the data. Now let's see how can we use the ISIN function with example. So first we will go to our database over here and we will open our data. In this is our data set. Over here we are going to filter the department column with the category of sales and finance by using the ISIN function. So our end result will be this. I will close this without saving the file and we will go back to our Python. The first step is to import pandas as pd. The next step is to read the CSV file where we had saved it. The function which we will use is df is equal to pd.read CSV. Over here, we need to put in the single quotation and we will go back to our data set to grab the part, and over here we will paste this, and we need to make a file name which is data.csv. We need to read this in the reverse order as the Python need to in the reverse order and we have this data in the forward order. So I will put over R over here. After that we will hit the enter. The next is to use the ISIN function. So we will be filtering our data by filter df df, then the square bracket, sorry, it should be a square bracket over here, then again df, again we will put the square bracket. Over here we will be mentioning a column name which is department. We need to always write in the single quotation, and department is D is in the capital, as previously we got the error because of this. The next, after the single bracket, we need to put dot is in function. As you can see, the drop down has been appear. We can use the tab or by the mouse click we will select it, and now the round bracket is been there. Then again we will put the square bracket and again the single quotation. Over here we need to specify the category. The category is the sales. After that we will put the comma. Again it will be in the single quote, and the next is the finance. After this we will going to be enter over here, and now we need to save this file again to the CSV. So we will start with the filter df. We need to select dot to CSV. Over here we need to specify the same path as over here. I will copy the entire and we will paste it over here, and instead of the data I need this file name to be test, for example, and we don't want the index, so we will mention the index is equal to false. Now the code has been completed over here. The first step was we import the pandas. The second we read a CSV file. The third step we use the ISIN function. Before that we had given the column name where we need to filter is and the category which we need to filter. The last step is to save this file to the CSV. Now we will run this code. We did not get any error. We will go back to the file and you can see the test file has been appear over here. I will double click on it and we will go at the department column and we can see finance and sales has been filtered. If you need to have the another category over here like marketing, so we can Go to a data file. We need to have the exact spelling of the marketing, or I will close this file. I had just copied the marketing, and in the single quotation, I will write the marketing. We will run this code again. See, I will open the end result over here. In the department, we can see now finance, sales, and marketing. If you need to have any other filter, so you need to put the column name over here, and it will execute it as it is. So that's it for this video. You have now learned how to use the ISIN function in Pandas to filter the data and save it in a new file. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. In the next video, we will learn how to use the period table in Pandas using Python. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.